Welcome to another video on Soft Zen Mind. Today we're diving into a powerful question that came directly from the comments. How can we become mentally strong? We need it very much. This is a question that touches almost everyone at some point in life. So let's explore it together. How to build true mental strength and develop a calm, resilient mindset that doesn't break under pressure. First, let's understand what a strong mindset really means. There's a beautiful teaching from the Buddha that illustrates this perfectly. He said that just like a solid rock remains unmoved by strong winds and violent storms, a wise person remains steady in the face of praise and blame. Think about that image for a moment. Imagine a massive rock standing firm while powerful winds crash against it. No matter how intense the storm becomes, the rock doesn't shake. In the same way, a mentally strong person is not easily disturbed by what others say, whether it's admiration or criticism. This inner stability is the foundation of true strength. So, how do we cultivate that kind of mindset? The first step is learning to stay emotionally balanced during life's ups and downs. Life is unpredictable, much like the ocean. Sometimes it is calm, peaceful, and soothing. Other times it becomes rough, chaotic, and overwhelming. These fluctuations are natural. According to Buddhist wisdom, life is shaped by what are called the 8 worldly conditions: praise and blame, gain and loss, fame and disgrace, pleasure and pain. Every human being experiences these cycles. No one is exempt. The key is not to resist these experiences, but to accept them with awareness. When someone criticizes you when you face difficulties, or when things don't go your way, your first instinct might be to react emotionally. But if you can pause, observe your thoughts, and remain mindful of your feelings without chasing them, you create space between yourself and the situation. That space is powerful. It allows you to respond with clarity instead of reacting with impulse. Over time, this practice builds emotional balance and inner peace. It's also important to understand that life will not always offer comfort. You won't always receive kind words, easy opportunities, or pleasant experiences. Challenges are part of the journey. Instead of resisting them, learn to face them with awareness and composure. A stable mindset is built not in comfort, but in moments of difficulty. The second step is developing resilience, the ability to rise again after falling. Life will test you. There will be moments of failure, disappointment, and pain. Mental strength doesn't mean you never feel hurt or never fall down. It means you don't stay down. Resilience is about how quickly you can recover, how gracefully you can stand back up, and how strongly you can move forward after setbacks. One of the most important skills in building resilience is understanding what is within your control and what is not. This simple awareness can change everything. For example, if someone criticizes you, their words and opinions are not in your control. You cannot control how others think or behave, but what is in your control is your reaction. You can choose whether to absorb that negativity or let it pass. Before reacting, ask yourself, do I want to carry this negativity? Do I want to respond with anger? Or can I choose peace instead? When you begin to question your reactions, you regain control over your inner world. Remember, not everything deserves your energy. If something is beyond your control, worrying about it only drains you. But if something is within your control, your thoughts, your attitude, your choices, then you have the power to change it. This is where true strength lies. Not in controlling the outside world, but in mastering your inner response. And finally, start cultivating a problem-solving mindset. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by challenges, train your mind to look for solutions. Every difficulty carries a lesson, and every setback holds an opportunity for growth. Mental strength is not built overnight. It is a daily practice, a quiet commitment to staying aware, balanced, and resilient no matter what life brings. If you are someone who easily panics when problems appear, or if you get triggered the moment life becomes difficult, then solving those problems becomes much harder than it needs to be. A restless mind creates confusion, and confusion blocks clarity. But when you learn to stay calm, grounded, and peaceful, even in the middle of chaos, you gain the power to understand your situation at a much deeper level. Calm mind is not weak. It is focused. It is aware. And it is powerful. When you face difficulties with a peaceful mindset, you are no longer reacting blindly. Instead, you begin to observe. You begin to understand. And from that place of awareness, you can go deeper into the roots of the problem itself. That is where real solutions are found. Many times we make a mistake. We start identifying ourselves with the problem. We say, I am angry, I am broken, or why is this happening to me? But the truth is, you are not the problem. You are the observer of the problem. Everything that happens in your life is temporary. Nothing stays forever. Every pain, every struggle, every confusion, it will pass. This is the nature of life. So instead of holding on to the problem and letting it define you, gently put it aside and begin to question it. Ask yourself, why did this happen? What is the deeper reason behind this situation? Where did I go wrong? What can I learn from this? When you start asking the right questions, your mind shifts from panic to clarity. You stop running away from the problem and instead you walk straight into its root. And that is where transformation begins. This is how you develop a strong problem-solving mindset, not by avoiding difficulties, but by understanding them. Now let's move to the final and most important step, developing a mindset of self-love and self-compassion. Listen carefully. If you truly love yourself, you will not carry other people's negativity inside your heart. You will not allow their anger, their words, or their energy to disturb your inner peace. When someone brings negativity into your life, you have a choice. You can either absorb it, or you can let it pass. And when you choose self-love, you simply say, I choose peace. I choose myself. I will not carry this negativity. That is not selfish. That is self-respect. Self-love means protecting your mental space. It means understanding your worth. It means choosing peace over unnecessary conflict. A simple daily practice can help you build this mindset. Every morning when you wake up, sit quietly for a moment. Take a deep breath and say to yourself, no matter what happens today, I will choose to love myself. I will not absorb negativity. I will protect my peace. This small habit can change the entire direction of your day. Think of your mind like a container, a bin. If you keep filling it with anger, stress, and negative thoughts, it will eventually overflow. It will start to feel heavy, toxic, and overwhelming. But if you empty that bin every single day, if you let go of the emotional trash, your mind becomes light, clean, and peaceful. And when your mind is clean, life feels easier. Decisions become clearer. Emotions become balanced. This is the power of self-compassion. Some people believe that being aggressive, rude, or easily angered is a sign of strength. But that is not true. That is not power, that is a lack of control. True strength is calmness. True strength is patience. True strength is the ability to remain steady, even when everything around you is unstable. If you are easily triggered by people's words or reactions, it simply means your inner foundation needs strengthening. A strong mind does not react to every situation. It responds with awareness. A truly strong mindset is not shaken by life's ups and downs. It stays balanced, centered, and peaceful. So practice these simple steps. Train your mind to stay calm. Learn to understand problems instead of fearing them. And most importantly, love yourself more deeply than ever before. Because when you build this kind of mindset, nothing in this world can break you. No situation can control you. No negativity can disturb your inner peace. You become stable. You become resilient. You become unshakable. And that is the true meaning of mental strength. I truly wish that each one of you finds peace, clarity, and happiness in your life. And if this message helped you even a little, make sure to support the journey of Soft Zen Mind. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message today. Stay peaceful, stay aware, and always choose yourself.